Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting exactly what you want to change. You can use the mouse or press Ctrl plus it to capture the whole document. Once selected, go to the Home tab and open the line and paragraph spacing menu. This is where Word stores common adjustments. Also, make sure the active style, like normal, isn't adding extra spacing. Sometimes the style enforces before and after values. By addressing selection and style first, you avoid redoing work later and target the real source of extra line space. Next, open the paragraph dialog from the line spacing menu to access exact controls. Click line spacing options at the bottom. You can choose single for proportional spacing or exactly and set a point value if you need strict control. If you pick exactly, enter a point size slightly larger than your font to avoid clipping. Also, uncheck add space before paragraph and add space after paragraph when they are checked. These are frequent culprits that create unexpected gaps. Apply your settings, and if desired, update the style so future edits inherit the change. Right-click the style and choose Update to match selection. Make sure to look for manual line breaks, Shift plus Enter, and extra paragraph marks because those show as separate items and can mimic spacing issues. If spacing still persists, inspect section breaks or paste the content into a new document to remove hidden formatting. One troubleshooting tip: toggle show /hide to reveal invisible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.